Good morning, children. Welcome to your English literature class. As you know, we all are revising the same chapter again one more time. Today we will discuss about the fill in the blanks of your chapter Brownie Bear and Goldie Cat. We have already discussed 2 times the story of Brownie Bear and Goldie Cat. I hope you all come to know about the moral of the story is to eat healthy and fresh fruit so that you become healthy, and you should avoid eating junk food and unhealthy food to avoid the illness. So as you can see, this is a fill in the blanks of page number 10. You open your English literature book, page number 10, you will find this fill in the blanks. I'll read it for you one time. You just copy it. I'll give the pictures and you will copy it in your literature copy after learning. You have done it before also. So this time you are going to learn it properly and try to write without seeing. So the first one, the teacher made Brownie and Goldie sit together. You have to fill the blank with teacher. Number 2, Brownie liked Goldie's soft and thick hair. Fill the blank with soft and thick hair. Goldie's eyes had a twinkle in them. You know the meaning of twinkle? That shine. And last one, Goldie Cat drank milk twice a day. Just follow me one more time. The teacher made Brownie and Goldie sit together. Brownie liked Goldie's soft and thick hair. Goldie's eyes had a twinkle in them. Goldie Cat drank milk twice a day. Drank milk twice a day. So these are the 4 fill in the blanks you are going to learn properly and try to write without seeing the answer in your copy. And I hope you all are well and following all the lessons of literature, because we have already completed 3 chapters of your book and given all the question answers also. But still we are going to revise all the chapters with all the exercises one more time. So we have already started the chapter 1, which is Brownie Bear and Goldie Cat. And first you have to understand the story. The moral of the story is the main thing. Second, you have to mark all the tough words which you are finding difficult to say or learn. Then you have to learn all the word meanings which is given in your book. I'll read it one more time for you. The word meaning that are in page number 8. You can see healthy, it's mean fit. Second, twinkle, here it's mean shine in the eyes. And last one, twice, that means 2 times. So these are the few word meanings which you are going to learn and write in your copy. Then you are going to copy this fill in the blanks in your copy after learning. And remember all the things this time in revision you are going to learn first and then you are going to copy it in your classwork copy. Okay. So this is the end of this video and copy this fill in the blanks in your copy. Thank you.